Government clears deals to build nuclear submarines, buy MQ-9B aircraft and Predator drones. Nuclear attack submarines will boost Navy's might in Indian Ocean region. The Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared major defense deals for building nuclear submarines indigenously and buying 31 MQ-9B remotely piloted aircraft from the United States. Senior government officials confirmed to the Indian Express the move will be a significant capability boost for the Navy and the armed forces. Officials said the nuclear-powered attack submarines will significantly enhance the Navy's might in the Indian Ocean region. The exact number of submarines to be produced is not immediately known. The Navy has long been awaiting procurement of 6 such indigenously built nuclear submarines, but the deal had seen little progress. In the last few weeks, the submarines are likely to be built at the Shipbuilding Center in Visakhapatnam and will involve private sector firms. The CSS also cleared the acquisition of 31 Predator drones from the US-based General Atomic under a foreign military sales contract between the two governments. The acquisition of MQ-9Bs, 16 Sky Guardian and 15 Sea Guardian high-altitude long-endurance remotely piloted aircraft system for the Indian Armed Forces from the United States through the Foreign Military Sale route was cleared by the Defense Acquisition Council in June and was among the key announcements made in the defense sector during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US in June. The MQ-9Bs to be assembled in India will enhance the ISR intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities of India's armed forces. They can also carry out precision strikes on strategic targets in mountains and the maritime domain during long endurance missions. Earlier, the Navy have based the two RPAs from the US-based GA in 2020 in the aftermath of the Galwan Valley clashes between India and Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh last month. One of them had to carry out a controlled breaching at sea of Chennai on Wednesday after it encountered a technical failure while a routine surveillance mission, following which the Navy had sought a detailed report from the original equipment manufacturer. Last month, US President Joe Biden, during PM Narendra Modi's 3-day visit to the US, welcomed the progress towards India concluding procurement of 31 General Atomic MQ-9B remotely piloted aircraft and their associated equipment to enhance the intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities of India's armed forces across all domains.